Welcome to Nirmaya Care, where health meets understanding. This video was originally published on nirmayacare.com. For an uncensored, ad-free version of this video and other health education content, visit nirmayacare.com.
Today, we're diving into a topic that's, well, it's pretty huge in modern medicine: artificial intelligence. Is AI the doctor of the future, or is it just a really smart new tool? Let's get into it. Okay, let's just rip the Band-Aid off and get right to the big question, the one that's on everybody's mind. Is some super smart AI really going to replace your doctor? Let's break down what's actually going on here. First things first, a little reality check. AI isn't some sci-fi concept that's coming in the distant future. The truth is, it's already in the exam room. For the last decade, it has been quietly becoming a really critical part of how medicine is practiced every single day. And what it's doing is already pretty incredible. We're talking about AI that can analyze medical images, like X-rays and scans, with a level of detail that can sometimes even surpass the human eye. It's predicting disease outbreaks before they even happen, and it's helping to craft personalized treatment plans that are based on your specific genetic code. So yeah, AI is already a major player. So when you hear all that, it's easy to jump to the first big myth, the job taker. The fear that AI is just going to march in and take over every medical job out there. But the reality? It's so much more interesting than that. And it really just comes down to one simple thing. They have totally different skill sets. See, this is the core of it. AI is an absolute champion when it comes to processing massive amounts of data and finding patterns. That makes it perfect for repetitive data-heavy tasks. But the real heart of medicine, things like clinical judgment, empathy, communicating with a patient, making tough ethical calls, that's human territory. That's the doctor's wheelhouse. So at the end of the day, the big takeaway here is that AI is a phenomenal assistant. It's a tool, but it just can't replace that essential human element that's at the core of healing. All right, that brings us to the second big myth, the smarter machine. The logic seems simple, right? AI can process way more data way faster than any human, so it has to be smarter than a doctor. But it's not that simple. It all boils down to this one crucial concept: clinical acumen. See, AI doesn't have it. This isn't just about knowing facts from a textbook. This is the wisdom, the intuition that a doctor builds up over years and years of practice, after seeing thousands of patients and thousands of unique, messy human situations. You have to remember, an AI, no matter how powerful it is fundamentally limited. It only knows what it's been trained on. It can't truly think outside the box when it sees a brand new, complex case it's never encountered. That kind of creative, adaptive thinking, that's a uniquely human skill. And really, that's the whole ballgame. Medicine is full of gray areas and uncertainty. A human doctor can navigate that complex maze in a way that, for now at least, no algorithm can even come close to replicating. So if AI isn't here to replace doctors, what is its role? And this, for me, is the most exciting part of the whole conversation. We're seeing the rise of the AI-augmented doctor. The future isn't about replacement, it's about evolution. The best way to think about it is that AI is the ultimate new tool in the doctor's toolkit. It can slash the ridiculous amount of time they spend on paperwork. It can give them a data-driven second opinion in seconds. It can help them create truly personalized treatments. It's not a competitor, it's a collaborator. And that's the point. This technology isn't here to make doctors obsolete. It's here to empower them. It frees them up from all the tedious stuff so they can focus on what they do best, using their clinical judgment, connecting with patients, and making those critical human decisions. So, what does this all mean for the future? Well, we are right in the middle of watching the next great evolution of medicine unfold, one that completely redefines the relationship between a healer and their tools. So let's be crystal clear about this. We are not heading towards some cold, impersonal future where you just talk to a machine about your symptoms. The future is AI augmented. It's a partnership. It's one where the technology handles the number crunching and the doctors handle the healing. You get the best of both worlds, machine precision combined with human compassion and deep expertise. And this really leaves us with one final, powerful idea that just sums it all up perfectly. AI won't replace doctors, but doctors who use AI will replace those who don't. The future isn't man versus machine, it's man with machine. Thanks for joining me.